Oh, hello there, sophomores. How you doing? We need to get to that context lecture, don't you? But let's get another start from my good side. How about that? So, let's get to our context. All right, so we are in Era 2, the classical era. And this goes from 600 BCE to 600 CE. Right in the middle of the year 0, right when Jesus as a human was walking on this planet. This is the era we are talking about, and we are talking about belief systems, the belief system you have, and also the belief systems that all of the other groups will have. Let's talk about those belief systems. So, belief systems in this era, some of them were religious and will cause religions. This would be from Buddha, from Buddhism. We can see with Judaism, with the belief in one God, and Hinduism, these are examples of religious belief systems of the classical era. The classical era is kind of crazy because all these really good thinkers came up with big ideas on belief systems that people followed. Many of them were religious. Some of these were polytheistic, meaning they believed in more than one God. Now, Hinduism is interesting because some people would call that polytheistic, but some would say it's not, because it believes in all these many gods, but they're supposed to be under one God in charge. But let's make this simpler. Polytheistic means some believed in many gods. Monotheistic means only one God. So that would be in this belief systems that the religions, some were polytheistic, some were monotheistic. Some belief systems didn't really talk about God much. Confucianism, if you have that one. Confucianism is what we would call a secular belief system. It's not anti-God, but it just doesn't talk about God at all. It's just how to live your life. Call that a philosophy. Yeah, philosophy. All right. Codification, what the hell does that mean? I'm not supposed to swear on these. Minor swear. Codification. Codification means creating of the rules and laws. Creating of the rules and laws. Creating of the rules and laws. I said that 3 times. It's pretty important. Basically, this time period, the classical era, is when these belief systems were codified. The rules are laid down. And you will need to talk about the rules of your belief system. And all of them have some kind of rules. Well, Taoism, kind of hippies, they don't really like rules much. But all of them do have rules that you're supposed to follow. And these lead to holy books or beliefs. You might see the 5 basic relationships, the 4 noble truths, the 10 commandments. Codifications are rules that are laid down for people to follow. And lastly, we have these strong leaders who come by and give these philosophies. And of course, because this is a time of patriarchy, they're all men. So we have Buddha, or Siddhartha Gautama. We have Jesus. We have Confucius. We have Lao Tzu. These are the people who give this philosophy, and their followers. The followers are really important. The followers are really important. That's too close. That's better. The followers are really important because they're the ones who write down these codifications or the rules that are followed in the books. Like the Holy Vedas here, for example, that gets written in Hinduism. All right, if you're wondering who this guy is here, who do you think this is? Just out of curiosity to end this. That's who historians think Jesus looked like. Yeah, different than a lot of the pictures in church, but that's what they think Jesus actually looked like. There we got the Buddha doing his whole enlightenment thing. And down here is Confucius. Over here we have some great readings from Judaism and the Torah and the Vedas. That's what we got for context. So let's make sure to get this done. And I will see you guys later in class, or I'm around here somewhere, probably walking around. I tend to walk around a lot. So, all right, I will see you guys later.